Hello students, this is our fifth lecture of the chapter The Crisis of Democratic Order. इसमें पिछले लेक्चर में हमने कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स को रीड करने की कोशिश की थी, जहां हमने 4 फैक्ट्स को समझ लिया था. अब हम फैक्ट नंबर 5 पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. इन रेस्पॉन्स टू राज नारायण's petition on 25th June 1975, the government declared emergency on recommendation of Prime Minister on a ground of threat of international disturbance, which invoked Article 352 of Constitution to bring law and order, restore efficiency, and above all, implement the pro-poor welfare program. Sixth one, the proclamation of emergency in 1975 had far-reaching consequences and affected every sphere of life, such as it affected civil liberties by making large-scale arrests, as well as citizen right to life and liberty were also taken away. It affected relationship between the executives and judiciary to bring new changes in the constitution by 42nd amendment, like duration of legislature, elections can be postponed by 1 year during an emergency. It affects mass media also, press controversies. Seventh one is, after emergency was imposed, question and debates arose either emergency was necessary or not. The government argued that opposition party must allow elected ruling party to govern according to its policies, whereas critics argued that people had the right to publicly protest against the government. Eighth one is, the State Commission headed by J.C. Shah was appointed in May 1977 by Janata Party government to inquire into several aspects of allegations of abuse of authority, excesses and malpractices committed and action taken in wake of emergency, and Shah Commission found out to be many excesses committed. Maximum arrest under prevention detention law, illegal restrictions on press, and verbal orders to cut electricity at 2 a.m. of all newspaper presses. And next one, ninth one is, emergency taught many lessons. Firstly, to be difficult to do away with democracy. Secondly, necessary the advice to proclaim emergency in writing by Council of Ministers. Thirdly, it made everyone more aware of the value of civil liberties. 10th one is, as soon as the emergency was over and the Lok Sabha elections were announced in 1977 to be turned into a referendum. Hence, politics after emergency was characterized by 2 major developments. 1977 elections defeated Congress on people's verdict against emergency, and opposition fought on the slogan Save Democracy. Midterm election 1980 were held due to Janata Party lacked direction, leadership and a common program, as well as could not bring any fundamental change in the policies pursued by Congress. So this was all about for today's lecture. Thank you.